Hey, Natural Method YouTube. Does it feel like you have to wear 72 pairs of socks to keep your feet warm? Do your feet change color more than a chameleon? If you suffer from cold feet, you are not alone. Our friend Danny has asked for a natural method for this. Imagine how much money you could save on socks. Let's get started. With both hands, pat onto your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit your feet strongly. We need to warm them up. 3, 4, 5. Both hands underneath your knee and shake your feet up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Backward and forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please follow my pace. 2, 3, 4, 5. Shake your feet from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you have difficulty, just move it as much as you can. 3, 4, 5. Stretch your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Curl your toes outward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push it down all the way. You will feel the stretch. 3, 4, 5. Curl your toes inward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Massage your toes outward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Massage strong enough so that you feel the friction. 3, 4, 5. With both hands, pat onto your feet and on your sole. Up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. I have now a hot water bottle which I'm going to place my foot on it for 5 minutes. Don't forget to get your free case study on how I breathe better and get rid of congestion. Click here.